Okay, so we're finding a few people having some difficulties with the license verification process, so I thought I'd just go through that with you. This is the email that BeltUp would have sent to you, just welcoming you onto the BeltUp books, if you like, and in 10 minutes after getting this email, you're going to get another email with the process itself. Now you can see we've got that one up here. The license verification process. So I'm just going to click on that one. This gives you information on what to do. So we're going to need your driving license number, we're going to need your national insurance number, and your postcode as well. These are the instructions down here. This tells you what to do. You create a code and send the code into BeltUp, and we can then verify your license. And if you scroll down here, we've got the web form that you need to fill in with your code, but we've also got the temporary access code here. So we just click on that one there, and I'll bring the page across. So this is what brings up. What we need to do, we need to put your driving license number in here, your full driving license number, your national insurance number, and then your postcode. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to enter this in. Bear with me 2 seconds. Make sure you put your full driving license number in. We then need your national insurance number. And then your postcode as it shows on your driving license. Then if we just scroll down, you need this button here which just says you agree to the terms and conditions. This is the government website, so we're not sharing any information that shouldn't be shared. I think I'm just missing off a digit on this national insurance number. Bear with me. Yeah, we are. Okay. There we go. So I've got the full national insurance number in. So you see, if something isn't in properly, it will come up with an error code straight away. Hit the view now, and this will bring up all of the details which we've blanked out because we don't want you finding out about this person here. We've got vehicles you can drive, which will show you your provisional entitlement for the car, any penalties or disqualifications you may have, but this one over here is get your check code. So we're going to get your check code here. Click it once, we click the green button, get a code, and then what I want you to do is to highlight this and then copy. What you then need to do is come back to the email which we've got behind, and we click on the other button here which says click here to fill out the form. This will bring up the form here, and what we're going to do, we're going to put the license verification code in there. So we're just going to fill this out here. And then the driving license number if it's not already in there. And all we do is we hit submit. And what that does, that sends BeltUp a nice email just so that we can verify your driving license and start your lessons. Quite an easy process. Thank you.